This is the brief on a handmade blue ribbed beanie. We're looking at a couple of photos of a slate blue, highly textured winter hat resting on a slatted wooden surface, which really gives us a great chance to examine its physical construction. So let's play detective for a minute and kind of reverse engineer this garment right off that wooden table, just to see how it was actually built. First, you'll immediately notice this really prominent vertical ribbing. You know, those distinct raised ridges that give the hat its thick, super textured look. Now, if we look closely at that second image, there's a very clear vertical seam running down the back, which tells us this fabric was actually created totally flat and then stitched together later. It kind of makes you wonder, right? Was leaving that visible seam a deliberate design choice for, say, structural stability, or was it just the absolute most efficient way for the maker to join that flat piece of fabric? Second, if we move our focus all the way up from the body to the very top of the hat, you can see how the crown is tightly cinched and gathered together, creating this slightly bulky, folded closure right at the peak. So instead of being smoothly tailored or tapered into a perfect dome shape, this top cinching method works exactly like pulling a drawstring tight on a little fabric pouch. Well, pulling all these specific structural clues together, the ribbed body, the visible seam, and that cinched top really paints a clear picture for us. Ultimately, the pronounced vertical ribbing, the functional back seam, and the tightly gathered crown reveal a simple, cozy, and highly textured construction for this classic blue beanie.